Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hidayah binti Kamaruddin, matric number 272564. I will start by explaining about Islamic Treasury Operations by Al-Rajhi Bank. The headquarters of Al-Rajhi Bank is from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Malaysia was Al-Rajhi Bank first entry into the foreign banking industry, where the founder of Al-Rajhi Bank is Saleh bin Abdul Aziz Al-Rajhi. Al-Rajhi Bank Malaysia opened its first and central branch on Jalan Ampang on 16 October 2006 and now has 16 branches worldwide. Al-Rajhi Bank also offering Islamic financial service including money exchange. The development of Al-Rajhi Trading and Exchange Corporation as well as religious tourism was the core of this company's foundation beginning in 1978. In 1987, Al-Rajhi Banking and Investment Corporation was established as a joint stock holding corporation. Al-Rajhi Bank becomes a full services Islamic bank. It now offers wholesale, retail and commercial banking as well as financial services. Al-Rajhi Bank offers the products and services which are saving accounts, current accounts, commodity murabahah terms deposit, commodity murabahah saving account, commodity murabahah current account, commodity murabahah foreign currency current account, wealth management in the form of gold, unit trust, banca takaful, will writing, safe deposit box, Musafir card and Rafahiyah debit card. There are several values of Al-Rajhi Bank Malaysia which are integrity and transparency, the openness and higher standard of corporate and personal ethics, passion to serve the customer, a strong commitment to anticipate and address customer needs beyond expectations. Third, solution oriented. Number 4 is modesty, humility in thoughts and needs. Number 5, innovativeness, nurture imagination, foster creativity for better results. Number 6, meritocracy, defining, differentiating, and reinforcing excellence in people. And last, care for society, contributing towards a better tomorrow.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shakira binti Zulkifli. My matric number 272568. The treasury product have been provided by Al-Rajhi Bank is divided into two, which is foreign exchange and deposit or term deposit. The foreign exchange have been provided by Al-Rajhi Bank is Sharia compliance, which is it must be delivered immediately. So Al-Rajhi Bank provide the foreign exchange product by spot trading. The spot trading take 2 days of the business day from the trade execution date for the settlement time frame. The business day here refer to the banking day in Kuala Lumpur, which is it open every day except on public holiday and weekend. The weekend in Kuala Lumpur is on Saturday and Sunday. Those who want to involve in foreign exchange by Al-Rajhi Bank, they must be an account holder in this product with Al-Rajhi Bank, whether in foreign currency or ringgit. The product under foreign exchange in Al-Rajhi Bank is Commodity Murabahah Foreign Currency Current Account I. The bank use a tawarruk contract in this product. The offered currency is not many as any other bank. The Al-Rajhi Bank offer currency to the account holder, which is United States dollar, USD, and Saudi Riyal, SAR. The operation of this product is started by the account holder deposit the ringgit Malaysia into their account, and then the bank will convert the money into currency, which is it depend on the account holder order whether they want to convert from ringgit Malaysia into United States dollar, USD, or Saudi Riyal, SAR, or vice versa. Then the bank will credit onto account holders Commodity Murabahah Foreign Currency Current Account I. After the foreign exchange, there is a deposit which is the term deposit product. This term deposit product is also through Commodity Murabahah, just like the foreign exchange, but in term deposit product, it will be traded in secure and convenient trading platform, which is in Bursa Malaysia or London Metal Exchange. This deposit product is different from foreign exchange because the bank and customer make an arrangement to trade the Sharia compliance commodity transaction.
My name is Noshifa Zainal, so I'm going to continue with Commodity Murabahah Term Deposit I. CMTDI is one of the instruments under the Treasury product offered by Al Rajhi Bank. This product is known to be a fixed term deposit instrument based on Sharia contract of Commodity Murabahah and Wakalah Bil Ujrah, which is agency with fee that guarantees both principal and profit. The capital and earnings of the Al Rajhi Bank depositor is protected by PIDM up to RM250,000. This treasury product is eligible to individual, non-profit organisation and corporate. For individual, they must reach age 18 years old and above. If they intended to open a joint account, the maximum number of participants for that account may be only 2 people, and interest can be at the age of 1 month till 17 years old. Customers allowed to enjoy an unlimited amount of deposit, which means the client can put as many deposits that they want inside the account. Initial placement for tenure period more than 3 months is RM500 Malaysia, while an account with tenure period less than 3 months is RM1,000 Malaysia. This product has a flexible tenure period up to 60 months, which equivalent to 5 years. Not only that, the principal and profit for this account is guaranteed by the bank. Al Rajhi Bank does not impose any service fees, but customer need to pay agency fee to Al Rajhi Nominee Tempatan Sdn Bhd, which is 0.01% will be deducted from the agency fee fund. Besides, client who opens this account need to pay RM5 for the issuance of replacement of term deposit account I deposit placement advice and RM2 for issuance of printing term deposit account I renewal notice.
Modus operandi of CMTDI. First, customer shall select agent to carry out the Murabahah transaction. In this case, Al Rajhi Nominee Tempatan Sdn Bhd act as an agent to sell and purchase the commodities with the bank. To manage these operations, Al Rajhi Nominee Tempatan Sdn Bhd would establish a separate unit called Commodity Trading Unit. The representative will buy specified commodities on behalf of the customer at a purchasing price which is equivalent to the amounts of money deposited by the client according to the placement form. After completing the purchase transaction, the agent will enter into a sale transaction with the bank to sell the commodity representing the client at the Murabahah sale price on a delayed basis to the bank. Next, the bank agrees to purchase the commodity at the Murabahah sale price from the customer representative. And then later, the bank makes a payment to the client's agent according to the agency fee written in the agreement. The charge for the representative deduct from the cost price plus profit.
My metric number is 261086. Today I'll be presenting about the issue and challenges that our group has to face and also the conclusion for our group assignment. For the issue and challenges, our group has to face personal challenges. This is due to the change of a new bank at the last minute, due to the fact that our first bank that we have chosen was facing a technicality issues. The first bank that we have choose was Affin Islamic Bank. However, we have to change to Al Rajhi Bank after a short discussion with the team member. With the help of each of our group member, we completed this paper in a time frame that was given by our madam lecturer. Despite the fact that the study objectives were made, certain limitations were inevitable. First and foremost, due to the strict deadline we have to set for the completion of our research. We must submit our findings as soon as possible to ensure that our proposal report is received on time. Next, the bank only focuses in Malaysia branch and it is not involved with the majority of Al Rajhi Bank in Saudi Arabia. Now, for the conclusion part, to sum up, the value of Al Rajhi banks are the one thing that binds people of many ethnicity, creeds, faith together throughout the world. Malaysia was the Al Rajhi Bank first entry into the foreign banking industry, where the founder of Al Rajhi Bank, named Saleh bin Abdul Aziz Al Rajhi Brothers & Co. the development of Al-Rajhi Trading and Exchange Corporation, as well the religious tourism, was the core of this company foundation beginning in the year of 1978. Now that's all the part of issue and challenges, and also the conclusion. I bid you Assalamualaikum. Thank you for your time.